my channel. We're gonna see if my stream is working. Fuck yeah, I'm so ready. 6,000 kilobytes per second. That's what I'm talking about, baby. My channel. I should be live. Fuck yeah. I'm gonna have it up on my phone. Oh shit, my phone's about to die. Fucking. Oh my god. Got my headphones. My chest is hurting. I can't fall out of bed. Those. I was gonna say something in chat, but you literally use my account. Say something in chat. Oh shit, my audio quality is great. Alright. What about my visual quality? Ah, yes, alright. Fucking perfect, bro. Alright. Now we're gonna turn this shit way down so we don't hear an echo. Alright, dude. Fucking ready. I'm so ready. My chest is hurting. I can't fall out of bed. I don't know where to go, so I'll eat it instead. With my symptoms is all red. Okay.
That I can chew on that's like the ice that has flavor. What I mean?
You mean like a Jolly Rancher?
Yes.
Or like flavored ice?
Oh, we're
Make your Crystal Light and then go pour it in an ice tray. First of all, don't say my name. So, no. Why don't you just roll yourself over there? Hot Wheels. Bro, where did I get a notification from? Okay, what did you want me to do? Sure, I guess I can do that even though I'm streaming. Dude, I have so many fans.
I don't need them. Yes.
Well, literally. My chest is hurting, and I fall out of bed. I don't know where to go, so I lay here instead with my symptoms of sorrow and dread. I love Fuck it. Let's just do stuff. Let's just do stuff. Okay. We're gonna make a map class. We're gonna make a tile class. And we're gonna make a tile set class. Nope. Alright. Excuse me, sir. This is not C. Or C++, I forget what that is. Anyway. My chest is hurting. I can't fall out of bed. I don't know where to go, so I lay here instead. With my symptoms of sorrow and dread. And then I lay here instead. I love, I love, I love. Okay. Think about what we need first. Okay, let me do that. The tile set is literally just going to be an image of the tile set that I have. And then I'll open it up in Asprite. And then use the coordinates from Asprite to decide what. Okay, yeah, okay. This is going to be so stupid. Oh my god. Alright, whatever. Whatever. Alright. Okay, so we'll need. What do we need? We need to be able to give it a file name. So tile set, file path. There we go. And then what? We're just gonna render the image. So we just need to render the surface for it. So nice one. I wonder if you can hear the video you're watching.
Probably.
Hold on. Video you're watching. No, not really. I actually don't think we'll need Pygame and tile. I'm gonna be honest. We will maybe. You know what? We'll import it when we need it. Let's not just import for fun. Okay, and then self-rect equals self-surface. Get wrecked. Alright. Wait. Do we need that? Am I ever printing the tile set? No. Or if I'm never drawing it. So we don't really need that. I'm gonna be honest. No, I literally can't think of a reason why we'd need it. Well, if we need it, we can just do it later. Alright. Also give it a grid size, cell size, and a padding if there is padding. We're gonna assume that that's 0, and we're not gonna assume anything about cell size actually. We will assume that tile set path is a string, but we're not gonna give it a default. And cell size needs to be an integer, so. Why am I type hinting? If I'm not gonna do comments, why am I typing anything? I don't. I'm just not gonna. No, I'm just not gonna type in. I don't see why. Sorry. Call me pirate software, okay? I don't care. Okay. I guess it's parsing the tile set. Or is it get tile? No, yeah, get tile. And this will be a global method, right? Is that what we call it? Tile row, then tile column. Although it should be backwards because that's like XY, right? So bum 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 da 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 da. All right. Well, wait. Stupid. Oh my god. I'm actually dumb, dude. Bum 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 bum. Mr. Sandman. Let me put on some music. I'm so alone. Got nobody to call my own. 24/7 retro game. Okay. How's that sound? Checking 1, 2. Loud as fuck. Alright. We got tile column and tile row. This is basically when we want to pull a tile. So map will use this. Okay, wait. I need to think about this architecture. So we're gonna use map. Simply import and export map files that I made. So they're gonna be custom map files. And the custom map files are gonna look like this. Map.map, okay? So it's basically gonna look like this. And so whenever we want the player somewhere, we'll have that set to value 1. Or I guess we could even do value P or whatever. Then we could have a tree. Let's say we're in an area with trees, right? We'd have tree, 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 tree. So that's basically what a file would look like. And then do I need tile? It would probably be nice to have a tile object that simply holds a tile variable, I guess we could call it. So that would be like t, 0, t, like what does this value mean? And then maybe we want to call this tile type instead of tile. Because all this really should hold is information about the tiles, and then map will call on this to basically parse this into an actual usable tile map. Gosh, this is so stupid. There's gotta be a better way to do maps, man. So each tile type will literally hold one tile type. Now here's the question. I actually really like the ability to layer things. So what if we could do something like this? Or really it should be... That way, I think I'll implement this functionality in maps so that if it detects a list, it prints the first index and then the second index. So that way we can do layered objects, like we could have an item on a table. So, fuck, tree is already T, so what would a table be? TV. So, we'd have a table, and we'd have an item. What would we have? A sword, so SW. Or we could just do item, sword. Look, it's stupid, it doesn't look good, but I mean that works, doesn't it? And then yeah, we could print out the table and then print out the item on top of it, and you can even print out the ground underneath that. I mean, it's not the best, okay? It's not the best, I'll admit it, but I mean, it is what it is. Until somebody smarter tells me otherwise, I don't really know what I'm gonna do. Alright, get tile. Let's parse this baby. Alright. And then just a simple, then I just iterate through the surfaces depending on the padding and cell size. Seems like the best bet. Alright. Alright. Oh shit, wait. We need image height. Well, let's just do width first, actually. I don't know why, I just like doing width first. I think it's because whenever you type width, you're always putting it first, which is like the X value. So image width is self surface dot get width. Image height equals self surface dot get height. Okay, calm down. Image height, and then we're gonna step by. Actually, hold on. Yeah, we're gonna step by. Oh, we didn't even fucking globalize the. Too easy. Alright. And so it's going to be cell size plus padding. And then to speed things up, actually, why don't we make a tiles yeah, hold on, wait. A little bit of an overhaul here, hold on. Get tile is just fine. Actually no, it's not. We need to set this to parse or get tiles. actually. And we're actually going to totally ignore that for a second. Then we'll need one of these later, so let's just put this down here. We'll need a get tile. Tile column, tile row. Alright. And this is going to be a simple list. It's going to be a nested list. And so now we need new row equals that. Actually, let's just put this in here. I don't know why we're being messy about it. Bro, quit tripping. Okay. I don't know why we're doing this. Let's just change the step value, actually. Let's just make a variable called step value instead of doing this every time. Okay, there we go. Alright. Now, because of the step value and because of the padding, we're going to assume there's going to be padding on each side, but like not doubled up. So we need to assume there's going to be a bar at the top left or bottom right. God damn it. Hello? Fuck off. Okay, back to the grind. Alright. New tile equals pygame dot no. Self dot surface dot subsurface. Oh yeah. I know what I'm fucking talking about, bro. I know what I'm fucking talking about, bro. We're gonna do 1, 1. Okay, wait, no. We're gonna do y, no, x plus 1. And then y plus 1. You heard? What? Shut up. And then the width is gonna be cell size. And the height, you guessed it, cell size. And just to make it look nicer, we're gonna put it right here. That's much better. Okay. Now, we should have the tile in new tile. So now we're gonna do new row. Append that bitch. New tile. And then once we're done with the entire row, we're going to there we go. That should be done, actually. We should be done. So this should, hold on, let me think about the x plus 1 plus, like y plus 1 value real quick. Okay. So if we're adding the cell size plus the padding, so let's just go look at Aspirite real quick. Alright. So 0, 0, this is 0, 0, this is 1, 1, this is 2, 2, okay? So in Aspirite, what do we do? Okay. Is this operating the same way we're operating here? The step value is self dot cell size plus self padding. So it's 13, and we're starting at 0. Fuck. we're starting at 0, so that would be way up here. And so 13 would literally grab from here to there. So yeah, the extra padding is on this side. So yes, we did the right thing, because if we do +1, then we're drawing from here to here, which is exactly the tile. Okay, yep, it should work. Alright, and then when we want to get the tile, all we really need to do is... Yeah, all we need to do is... Hold on. Why would we need to get the tile? For map when it draws it. Yeah, okay. So just return self tiles tile column and tile row. Should be it. And so whenever you say get tile and then you put in the coordinate, which should be the same coordinate as the ones on here, and can I please get rid of that fucking thing? Oh my god. Why is the pixel 3 size anyways? What do you need 3 pixels for, bro? Overcompensating for something? Huh? Anyway. Yeah, it should work. That's like the easiest method I've ever made. Okay. Yeah, this simplifies it a lot. And then also, the reason this is nice is because we don't have to iterate through this for loop every single time we want to get a tile now, because it's indexed in our tile list, or tiles list. Okay, that's good. And then let's just do a little... Let's just save on freaking progress, boy. Oh, chill. Can't type anymore. Tile set class finished. Probably. Okay. Alright. So we're probably just gonna need... Can we just number everything? It'll probably be... I mean... It'll be dog shit to look at. But it would make it simpler, right? Hold on. Wait, oh! I got it, bro. Hold on. Let's say we want a sword on the table. Okay? We want the ground. We want the table, let's say that's 3. Then we want a item, let's say it's 5. And then in item, we want a sword. Let's say a sword is index value 1. I feel like a map can parse this. We can make it parse this pretty easily, I feel like. And then the player's obviously going to be 1. And then, okay, this is going to be a bunch of magic number bullshit, though. Like, we'll have all the translations in map, but it's like, oh, it's really ugly. I need some smart motherfuckers to help me out. Well, I'm literally retarded. And I gotta kind of take a shit now. Great. And I gotta get it, and I gotta go, and I gotta load. Alright. Let's try and figure it out. Yeah, that's definitely a shit, not a fart. So, I'm not gonna try that. Would I do a tile dictionary? Or would I just trust the... I mean, because it's gonna index properly. Unless I sort it, it's not gonna change, right? So... Oh, fuck me. Let's ask ChatGPT on that one. What's up? Oh wait, how do I even explain this? Hold on. How do I explain this? fuck? I don't care about Gail King. Bro. Bro! How about we just do whatever I fucking feel like, and then if it doesn't work out, I'll fix it. I want to do a list, because it's easier to iterate through than a fucking dictionary. Self dot... Actually, we're just gonna render this, actually. In a... oh my... wow, whoa, Jesus Christ. Alright. It's functionally a dictionary. I almost want to just make it a dictionary because it's just such a fucking dictionary thing to do. I don't know, chat. I don't know. I don't know, chat. I literally don't know, chat. Wait, no, the class itself is a fucking tile type. Dumbass, hold on, wait. This is not the place for this. This is just to store one tile type. So what do we need? What do we need? Okay. I suppose we need to create certain flags, like is it like can you walk through it? Like what okay, what things are actually important in a top-down RPG? Whether or not you can walk through something. Yeah. Okay, let's just start simple, okay? What do I want? It's a simple spell sword game. I want it to be a little tiny adventure. You're gonna start in like a forest probably. So we just need stuff you can't walk into, like trees. Grass that you can walk onto, but that's not gonna have anything. It's just gonna be a visual. So there's no tags for that. What's another word for something that can be walked through? Or something that can't be walked through? Solid? Solid? Okay, so we're gonna call it Did it have a name? What would we ever use the name for? I guess for if your character wanted to inspect the tile. But yeah, no, that's fine. Name. Then what would it be? Variable or identifier? Or... There we go. Pretty sure that's all we need. Actually, though, we're just gonna assume everything is not solid. I don't want to have to type the Boolean every time if it's not relevant. There we go. Aren't I done? Do I even need a method? Why would I need a method? Hold on. I feel like anything I need to do, I could do with the information I'm given it. We'll see. That. Okay, hold on. Baby girl. All right. Jesus Christ. Now I just need a map. The map's just gonna basically paint. I need to think about how a camera works though. I don't know. I don't know how to do a freaking camera, bro. Actually, let's just leave that like that for a second. Definitely gonna need to pass the game through here, obviously. Wait, do I need to... Where's my tile type? I don't think I need to pass a game through here. I see no reason it would need it. So yeah, let's get rid of that. And then... First things first. Okay, well, let's not even get to here yet. Hold on. Okay, what is a camera? It's a rect. Okay. Obviously, everything on screen at any given point, like the top left coordinate is always 0. 0, 0, always. That's not changing. The camera can't change that. So what are we actually doing? We're creating an offset. So something's at, on screen, on the actual screen, it's at 5.5. Okay? Hold on. Can we get a little... Alright. Okay, so here's our grid. Let's pretend this is our map, okay? Obviously we have way more pixels than this, but this is our map, okay? And this little red dot is our character. We want our character to be in the center of the screen. Okay, so the camera, we want the camera to be centered on the player. How do we do this? This value here will always be 0, 0. Jesus fucking Christ. Is there a way to make this smaller? Okay, whatever. Okay, we're just gonna ignore that, okay? Let's use our brains. 0, 0, okay? 0, 0, right here. Now, let's say our character is... Okay, buddy. Let's see our... okay. Let's see our character's here. This is 2, 2. Because remember, it starts at 0, 0, okay? We want our camera to be centered here. So the camera needs to add pixels, right? Like add. Or wait. Doesn't the camera just need to find the distance between whatever our center point is and the center of the screen, and then add that difference? Let's try that math, okay? So, if we're at 2, 2, let's just say 2. And we need to be at 7.5, 7.5, so it is 7. Just wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. We need to be at 8. We find the difference between this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's just go by X and Y values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Huh? Okay, I need... This is fucking with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. We need to get to the blue square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we would add 5 to the x-axis. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Add 5 here. So we would find the difference between these two, right? How do we do that? will we just subtract this x from the center x? Let's see. Center x is what? 7, 7? 15, 15, 7, 7. Okay. What? No, 2, 2, 7, 7. Okay. So 7 minus 2, 5. And then 7 minus 2, 5. So we subtract our position from the camera's position. It gives us 5. And then we add that to our position. And then boom, we're here. So if we just apply that logic to everything in the game, so yeah, okay. We take our center point, okay. So wait, let's see if this works backwards though. Hold on. What if we're over here? 12, 12. Okay. So 7 minus 12 equals -5. And if we add -5 on both of our axes, we move up and back. Oh my god, this is perfect. Okay. And then we save this value, whatever the value is, the difference in our x and y coordinates, and then we apply that to every sprite on screen, every single image on screen. And so they all move the same distance as we did. And we've effectively created a camera. Oh my god. That is fucking awesome. Alright. We just gotta remember to subtract whatever in the center is from the camera, not the other way around. Because then it breaks the logic, I think. Okay. Now, do we even add a width? And a height? I don't feel like we do, right? Because that would just be the screen, wouldn't it? Well, unless we were to make the camera a surface, and so it could also act as a mask, almost. Like if we wanted UI on the side, like in the Unreal World, we could just draw to the camera surface and then draw the camera onto the screen instead of having to deal with the fact that the camera's being drawn beneath the UI. That would also fix pretty much... Would that fix every issue with, like, clicking on tiles when you're trying to click on the menu? I don't know. Do the Rex still get drawn if they're off of the surface? That's actually interesting to think about. Hold on. I'm kind of curious about something. Wrap this into a tuple. And then we get the rect. It should already be at the 0, 0. So, actually, we don't need the rect then. Forget that. Okay. We're actually going to move this actually. Hold on. Negative 20, negative 20. We're gonna make it 5 by 5. No, let's just do 20 by 20 pixels. Actually, let's just do 15, 15. Okay. And then I actually lied. Alright, there we go. And then actually, let's just do so theoretically we should not see, well, we shouldn't see the rect on the screen at all. Hold on. What's it called? Mouse? Click? What's it called whenever you... Ah, mouse button down. And if this rect collides... Excuse me. Oh. Nice one, bro. Nice one. Okay, so now we're about to find out if... So, if it prints rect exists, then we know that the rect is actually getting printed. And if that's the case, then making the camera a mask isn't really relevant, I guess, until... Like, well, I guess we'll see. Hold on. Let's just see if this operates as intended. Should be somewhere around here. Okay. Now what if we just do 0, 0? Okay. What the fuck, bro? What the fuck, bro? Hold on. Oh, dummy alert, dummy alert. I never drew the mask. And now, what if we change these values? 0. Ah, but the clicking does not work, mister. Oh, is that actually in the center of the screen? Yeah, dude, nice. Okay. Why is this not working? Oh, wait. Aha, that's a sneaky. Well, that's fine, actually. You know what? That works in our favor. Hold on. That's a glitch, but it works in our favor, because now we can do this. Actually, it does not work in our favor at all. We need to change the event position so that it actually is local position equals. What would the local position be? Okay, because the reason the event position is off is because what it's doing is it's taking our temp rect, but our temp rect is local to our mask. It's not actually local to the screen, but the event position is local to the screen. So why don't we just do this? Hold on. Event position. This is going to be our X plus self dot mask rect dot width. position plus self.mask rect height, right? No, stupid. Still. Okay, hold on. Oh, it's because I never plugged it in. Stupid. Oh my. Okay, be nice to yourself, bro. Be nice. You use self-love language here, okay? Okay. Now I have no idea what's going wrong. Okay. What is the mask rect position? Like the X position. Is it being... Wait. When I click in the center of the screen... Oh, stupid. Hey. There we go. Okay. So now, okay, so what was happening was because I was adding it, okay, for some reason I was thinking that I would still click the top left. And so since the top left is 0, for some reason I thought that temp rect would be equaling like, I don't know how to explain it, I'm too stupid, I'm sorry. Yeah, but basically we got it working. So now we just need to change this value. Let's see if it still prints this stuff. Yes, it does. Well, there we go. Now we know a little bit more about how that works. Okay, so it doesn't really matter. Even if like let's say we have a UI system and a map underneath that, we're still gonna have to do all the logic of like if it's intersecting with the UI, ignore map input, like we're still gonna have to do all that logic. So I don't think we really need a mask. So I don't think we need a width and a height. I think just the entire screen can be the camera. It's probably for the best anyways, because we're probably going to want to center, well, no, you know what? What if we wanted, because even if we did want a UI, we want a way of telling the computer, like, yeah, center on the character, but like, oh, wait a minute. Okay, you know what? No, we need 3 things. Because we need to treat camera like it's a rect. We need a X and a Y for where we print the camera screen, like where we print the camera mask. Then we need a center, like which is like the
like the player or whatever, or we're centering the camera on, and then we need a width and a height. And I don't think we should actually have any of that in the instructor, because you should be able to just make a camera and then apply those settings, because you're gonna want to change them later. So we might as well not, like, there's no need to do a default value. Also, I need a "we'll be right back" thing for my stream so I can. Damn, girl. We have a GIF, or a GIF, as some would call it. I'm back, people. Alright, I think I'm gonna restart stream. Put in like educational or something.